Today we are going to be brewing our house blend Cali on the Aeropress. The Aeropress is used all over the world to make specialty coffee in your home in just a few minutes. Here at KOTA, we prefer to use something known as the inverted method. All that means is you're going to turn your Aeropress upside down for most of the brew time. To begin, we're going to pull the plunger out of the main chamber until that rubber seal is roughly halfway between the fore and the edge of the chamber itself. The reason we do this is just so there's enough room in here for the water and the coffee. Next, we're going to invert our Aeropress onto our scales, take the filter cap off and put that to one side along with the filter paper. We're going to zero our scales and add 11.5 grams of coffee to the main chamber. We're going to zero that again, and we're ready to go. Now we're going to start the timer and add 200 milliliters of water to the main chamber of the Aeropress. You can use any kettle for this, whatever you have at home is absolutely fine. And now we're just going to wait for 1 minute 45 seconds whilst it brews. At 1 minute 45, we're going to take our filter paper, put it into our filter cap, put it back onto the Aeropress, ready to turn back the right way round. At 2 minutes, we're going to really carefully return our Aeropress back to its original position, ready to plunge. You want to plunge your Aeropress heavily for about 30 seconds until all the coffee is extracted into your main serving jug. Quick tip for an easy cleanup, then just take the plunger back out of the chamber by an inch or so. Just means there won't be any drips when it comes to clearing away. And that's it. Specialty coffee in your home in under 3 minutes. Cheers.